Like, yeah, I really want to rub it. Yeah, so like they're super satisfying when you squish the sponges. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this slime. I think it's called jelly cube, but I'm pretty sure I'm using the wrong kind of foam for jelly cube. So, or honeycomb, I don't know. But I'm going to make mine with white glue, so yeah. Because that's all I have right now. So yeah, I'm just going to be showing you how to make this slime. So, basically for how to make this slime, for the ingredients, you will need some like, foam. I'm just using this like foam. I just like ripped it apart. You can like put it in the cube if you want to. It's just like some of these are in cubes from like, cause I was cutting them up, but then my hand got tired because it was like a big piece. So they're all like different sizes and stuff. But I don't really care. So yeah, they're just like, yeah, they have like a big wolf. So yeah, we'll also be needing some glue. I'm just using the Elmer's one. So yeah, you're gonna be needing something to mix it all in. I'm just using this container, which I'm gonna use to in the end too. So I just need an airtight container. Optional, you can have glitter or food dye. So yeah, I might choose one of those during the video. Comment down below what's your favorite color. Something to mix with, which is that. Your activator, which I'm using contact solution and baking soda. So let's get on with this video. Okay, so the first step is to take your like whatever you're mixing it in and take your like glue and you're gonna put like glue in there. Like make sure. Yeah. We're gonna put glue in here. So we're gonna put like that much. And then now, optional, you can put glitter or food coloring, which I'm gonna put food coloring. And what color do you want? No, what color do you want? Do you want just regular? Okay, so my brother chose this blue. I know I have so many blues. I don't know why he just chose this one. Like I have a jelly. Okay, this one has like almost out. Gotta squint. This one's like almost out. Oh, there. Okay, that should be good enough. This one's in there. Now you're gonna mix that in. I don't have any glitter currently, so you can add glitter like right now. That turned like so light because that food coloring isn't that good, and it's like super light now. It's like a pastel blue. It's actually really pretty. So yeah, now that's fully mixed, you're gonna add your activator basically. So I'm adding my baking soda. I'm gonna add like that much. We're gonna mix it in. Sorry if you hear that background noise. It's my little kitty eating over there. Here, let me zoom it in. My little kitty eating over there. Little kitty eating over there. So yeah. Sorry. It's like, okay, I just messed it. Okay, I just messed up the whole thing. So just thank, yeah, Sherri, just thanks. Just thank me. Thank you. So, once like it's fully mixed, the baking soda is fully mixed. You're gonna add your activator slowly. Mine is contact solutions. Slowly. You do want it to be a little sticky, for the foam to stick. You're just gonna go with me during this activation process. It's not really activating very well. It's not activating really well. I'm making a little bit of a stronger activator. I have my little box here. I'm gonna make a stronger activator, so I'm gonna just take a little container Wait, I think I have like one more. Yeah, I have one more. So I'm gonna put my Lego containers back. I put that, and I'm gonna put. That much. Okay, hold on. Let me look at the bottom of this real quick. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's enough. Don't want to put too much. I can move this out of the way. Put this back in the picture, and we're gonna add it slowly. Still slowly. There we go. That's good. That's better. That's better. So mine is like getting close to ready. It's not ready yet, but it's getting closer and closer. I got plum on my hand. Okay, that's better. Yeah, don't do that shit yet. Hold on real quick, guys. I'm just getting this excess slime off my hands. Okay, there we go. A little bit more, like, yeah, just a little bit, guys. Just do a little bit at a time, or else it'll overactivate, and then it's just gonna be like a hard slime that like the foam will not even stick in. So, yeah, that's a lot. Whoopsies. You do want this sticky though, guys. Like, you don't want it so you can't touch it, but like you want it to like stuff will stick inside of it. I just kind of add a lot of activator, but I have some like stickiness in my bowl, so I hope that helps. I can always like, oh gosh. Oh my god. Okay, mine is like kind of in my bowl, so. Okay, put that there, get this back. So mine is like a little bit sticky, as you guys can see. I have to touch it kind of fast. Also stick to me like so, like, yeah. So I'm just gonna off to the side. We'll grab our little bowl here with the foam. And this is like ASMR right now, okay guys? So this is just a regular base. These are little things. Okay, that's a lot. So for like technique, guys, you can like, if you don't want a lot of these things in your slime because you want to make more of them, but like you don't want to, you only have a little bit, then you like take some, like you literally grab some out of the bowl and just put it on your slime. But I want this one to be a full one, and I have quite a lot of it, of this like stuff. More, and like once you reach like your satisfactory of how many you want in your slime, then you just like, okay, so that's like how much I kind of want. So yeah, I might add some more later, but you know. So this is like how much I kind of want. Like it's like a pretty good amount. There's still some slime, but like, yeah. So you're gonna just take airtight container. I'm using this one. Put it in there. I'll probably use this one. Put my little control thing in there. Grab this one. This one. Oh, is that right? What is in there? I'll grab what's in here real quick. What is that? Oh, it's just some dried glue. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna just like, okay, so you take your slime that has like that stuff in it, and you're gonna put it in your container. But like for a couple of days, and then it's gonna get like really, really soaked in, and it'll be so satisfying when you touch it. Like, okay, let me show you. Where'd it go? I just lost it there. this one's like a partly clear glue, and I made this today, and it's already so set. But like once you leave it some more, it's gonna be more and more satisfying. So yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a like if you like slime. Oh, I forgot to say, make sure to look out on my Instagram, which is slimy Sherri, to see like after a few days on this. And make sure to like this video if you like slime. Subscribe to be part of the slime squad. And make sure to turn on post notifications so when you know when I post more videos about slime or maybe about different things, like challenges, or I'm gonna get some packages in the mail that I'm gonna post them on mail. So yeah, make sure to just turn on notifications so you know when I post those things. So see you on the next video. Bye.